Okay, time for another chainsaw comparison. The Milwaukee M18 Fuel versus the Greenworks Commercial GS181. Now, I did a comparison with the Greenworks Commercial 82 CS34 and it really wasn't even close at all. So I'm going back a model with the Greenworks as a comparison. So the Milwaukee's got about 4 cuts on the chain. The Greenworks has a few cuts, but the chain's still in good shape. Batteries are both fully charged. I will say that the Milwaukee is a fair amount lighter than the Greenworks. So if that's a concern, you know, you might favor the Milwaukee just on the ergonomics. Milwaukee has a 16-inch saw, and I believe the Greenworks has an 18-inch. Okay, we're cutting on, I don't know, we'll say probably a 7 to 8 inch piece of oak, and here we go with the Milwaukee. Do another one. Doesn't like being overstressed. And now we'll do a couple of cuts with the Greenworks GS1. I realized that the chain in the Greenworks GS181 was actually pretty dull, so I sharpened it up by hand. It's not a new blade, it's just a hand sharpened blade, and I took another cut at it, which I added in afterwards. And you can see that because it sped up the cutting a little bit, and it seems like the two of them come up fairly even in terms of cutting speed on that piece of wood.